Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the Toshiba EM131A5C countertop microwave oven, a popular, affordable kitchen appliance that combines simplicity with some smart features. This microwave offers a 1.2 cubic foot capacity, a 12.4-inch removable turntable, a smart humidity sensor, 12 auto menus, mute function, eco mode, and an easy-to-clean interior, all in a sleek black finish. After thoroughly researching customer reviews, expert opinions, and technical specifications online, I've put together everything you need to know to help you decide if this microwave deserves a place in your kitchen. Let's start with the design. The Toshiba EM131A5C has a clean, modern look with its matte black finish and stainless steel accents. It's compact enough to fit comfortably on most countertops but still provides enough interior space to fit a standard dinner plate or medium casserole dish. The 12.4-inch glass turntable ensures even heating and is easy to remove for cleaning. At 1000 watts of power, it's strong enough for everyday cooking, reheating, and defrosting tasks. One of the standout features is the smart humidity sensor, which adjusts the cooking time and power level automatically based on the moisture of your food. This is especially useful for reheating leftovers, as it helps prevent overcooking and keeps dishes like rice, pasta, or vegetables from drying out. Users report that this feature works very well and takes the guesswork out of reheating meals. The microwave also includes 12 auto menus for popular dishes, such as pizza, potatoes, frozen vegetables, and popcorn. These presets save you time and make it easy to cook common foods with the push of a button. There's also a handy kitchen timer and a clock display, and the controls are straightforward and easy to use, even if you're not very tech-savvy. A few other thoughtful touches make this model stand out. The mute function allows you to silence the beeps, which is great for late-night snacking without waking everyone up. The eco mode reduces standby power consumption, helping you save a little on your electricity bill and making the microwave more environmentally friendly. The interior has a special coating that makes it easy to wipe clean if there are any spills or splatters. In terms of performance, most users are very happy with how evenly and quickly it cooks and reheats food. The 1000W power ensures it heats up your meals fast, and the turntable rotates smoothly for consistent results. People especially appreciate how well it defrosts meats without cooking the edges, thanks to the sensor and preset defrost options, making it more reliable than many older or cheaper models. The Toshiba EM131A5C is also known for being reliable and user-friendly. Users mention that it feels sturdy and well-built despite its affordable price. It doesn't take long to get the hang of the controls, and the manual includes clear instructions and tips for getting the most out of its features. Maintenance is minimal, and the interior wipes clean easily without much effort. Now let's take a moment to look at its drawbacks. While the 1.2 cubic feet size is perfect for most kitchens, it may feel a little small if you're cooking for a large family or need to heat up big platters. Some users note that the black exterior shows fingerprints and smudges more than lighter colors, so you may need to wipe it down often to keep it looking sharp. Additionally, while the smart sensor is great for reheating, it doesn't always work perfectly for all types of food, so you may still need to manually adjust power and time for certain dishes. So, is the Toshiba EM131A5C worth it? After thoroughly researching and weighing the pros and cons, I'd say absolutely. If you're looking for an affordable, dependable microwave with a few smart features to make your life easier. It's easy to use, looks good, and performs consistently well, making it a solid choice for most kitchens. If you value convenience, energy savings, and reliable performance, this Toshiba model is a great pick. Click the link below for the best price.